Hi! In front of me is TCL for the next paper, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Accounts. Now click on Google under Passwords at the top and click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Enter your current login method and select Edit button next to the Delete one. Finally, you can change wherever you want to, and when you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password and username has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!